Hi, I'm Melissa from Meeper Technology, and I'm here to talk to educators about a unique STEM opportunity. We are a U.S. company based in Whitewater, Wisconsin, and creators of the MeeperBot. A MeeperBot is a fun and interactive remote control platform that you build up and drive. The MeeperBot is compatible with most brick products, including Legos, so the build possibilities are endless. At Meeper Technology, we have a mission, and that is to get kids interested in STEM and robotics, as well as help bridge the gap between girls and boys when it comes to interest in the STEM field. We want to bring that to your students. That is why we have put together MeeperBot Classroom Kits. I'm going to tell you 4 reasons why you want MeeperBots in your classroom. 1. MeeperBots deliver on all 4 pillars of STEM. And we provide learning guides with our classroom kits filled with educational activities. 2. MeeperBots provide an introduction to coding with MeeperBot Code. Yes, that's right, our app includes Scratch programming features. 3. MeeperBots are the most versatile and easy to use robotic product available. All you need is our free app, and through Bluetooth technology you can be up and driving in just seconds. The controller is your smartphone or tablet, and our app works with Apple, Android, and Kindle. So what else sets the MeeperBot apart? Price, which is what brings me to my last point. MeeperBots are the most affordable toy of its kind on the market. In addition to schools, we sell our classroom kits to libraries, after-school programs, clubs, and more.